onset of the global conflict just over a year ago when the private military organization known as Pax Armada launched an unprovoked attack base in Georgia. Just days later, while NATO was preparing its response, Secretary General Hawthorne was assassinated in Brussels with Pax Armada claiming credit. That created fractures in the West's oldest and strongest alliance. Several former NATO members have joined the coalition of states backing the PMO, which has ignited age-old conflicts in hotspots around Europe and now the world. The question now is, has the violence crescendoed, or is the next fire about to erupt?
Always knew you were a survivor.
Got the scars to prove it.
And the guilt?
Never goes away.
I've been trying to restore contact with you for days. Can't even raise hemlock through contingency.
Like trying to raise the dead? You're gonna put that down.
Wasn't a question.
Sit rep. Hold your positions. Primary secure.
You're breaking protocol. You're never to contact me in person. I taught you both too
They're
well.
They're coming for you.
Who?
Pax.
What's your source? You believe a group of madmen hell-bent for leather on taking the world apart piece by piece would prioritize an operator halfway around the world? Why?
Now that is the question.
Gecko, I didn't put you on this team because you're a thinker.
No, you put me on the team because I'm a hunter.
Mills, they're coming. It's why we're here. And since you like putting pieces together, let's start with that. Like why you chose Dagger 1-3. Take us back to Gibraltar.
Here we are, Dagger 1-3. In 3 mics, you'll enter Gibraltar airspace. This place has been fought over for centuries. Now Pax Armada have opened that wound after NATO's kept it safe for decades. And there's no way we're letting them have it without a fight.
Dagger, this is Pax's ballsiest play yet. If they succeed, they will have secured the most strategic rock in the history of warfare. The British Squad Lancer are already on deck and in position. Hey, Devil Dogs! Want to help our friends take back this rock? Hoorah! 1 minute! Dills, you hearing me?
Got you 5x5. Send it.
On final approach, looking good.
Copy that. Phase 1's complete. Artillery's pummeled the rock, weakening Pax's defense systems. We've cleared the way for Phase 2. First objective is to rendezvous with Lancer, push through and provide sniper coverage so they can neutralize the radar asset. From there, it's a short hump to Pax's anti-air defense, our second objective. Once down, Command can launch Phase 3. Bravo element will land on the rock with you and move on their objective. Happy landings, Dagger. Mills out.
Never a dull moment on this fucking team. Ready for this?
Always faithful, always forward.
All right, Gecko. Let's introduce Dagger to the rock. 3-1, radio check. You with us, Lancer?
Reading you loud and clear, Dagger. We're waiting for you at the link-up point.
Copy that. We good?
On your 6.
Dagger, we're pinned down! There's a packed checkpoint. We need to take out the MG nest ASAP!
Copy. We're on our way, McIntyre. MG gunner guard tower. Send it when you're ready.
On it. Shit, hold it.
Focus, Kilo. The M.
Clean hit.
Lancer. MG is down.
Roger! Lancer, push up!
Weapons free.
Area clear!
On me. Let's move.
Good to have you in the fight, Dagger. Radar station's up the hillside. We'll approach through the cave system. Main road's too exposed.
Roger. Let's hustle then.
Not even a week and packs are already heavily entrenched. The ship packs have stirred up. Shipping lanes, trade routes. Takes a lot of nerve to make a play like this.
They're sparking old feuds for a reason. Fracturing long-standing alliances. Whoever's put in the bill wants to shake up the world and throw it on its axis.
Radar station ahead. Alternating bounding at the gate. Get into position. Don't hang around. We won't wait for you.
Copy. Overwatch position ahead.
Copy.
Lancer, we're in position.
Roger, what are you seeing?
Infantry at the gatehouse, 30 meters. More on the road further back. Stand by. Gecko, show me why you're on the team. Send it.
Rounds down range.
Engaging! Lancer, push forward!
Roger that, engaging. Area secured. Advancing on the radar station now. Dagger, take position in the tower.
Tracking. We got your back. Second position. On me.
Copy that.
Mills, you copy?
Loud and clear, Dagger 1-3. Sit rep.
We're on the X. Moving to an overwatch position. You'll know when we start slinging rounds downrange.
Good work, Dagger 1-3. Report back once the station's down. Mills out.
Onward and upward.
Contact! Dagger, we need you! Get up that tower now!
Hustle, Gecko, up the tower.
Multiple tangos ahead, over!
Focus on the high-prio targets and the direct threats to Lancer.
Copy.
Ammo crate, resupply. We're set in position. Over.
Copy that! We're pushing up now! Give us some cover!
Weapons free. Infantry covered by the forklift. Smoke. Gecko, you're at the main structure. Don't let him get a bead on us. Target, mid-layer of the dome. Take him out.
Clean. Shoot her down.
Vehicle incoming. Lancer, find the gun. Gecko, the gun. Move that threat. Push forward! Get Gecko. Gain structure. Keep pushing.
Setting charges.
Got him to the target. Sit rep, Lancer.
We're clear. Seeking cover. Stand by. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Firing now. Target destroyed. Thanks for the assist, Dagger. En route to secondary objective.
Likewise, Lancer. Heading to the tunnels now. Good luck. Dagger out. Let's roll.
Moving.
Incoming artillery! Check clear!
Move now! Through the tunnel!
Dagger, do you copy? Repeat, Dagger 1-3, do you copy?
Lancer, this is Dagger 1-3. Reading you.
Wait for the... Go.
Lancer, you're coming in broken. Down!
Down.
Yeah. Go white light. Lancer, you read me? What's your status? Damn it!
We're a military powerhouse and the radios are still pieces of junk.
Well, at least these tunnels will give us cover to move on the AAAs. Come on. Let's get to the exit. Light ahead. Caution.
The British objective, securing victory in North Africa.
Clear.
While allowing American armies
Looks like we're on the right track.
Remember this from the briefing. Underground World War II museum. Pretty cool, huh? Oh man, these guys were tough. No PMCs back in their day. You know any mercs?
Been on joint ops with them, and a few I served with signed up, but Pax... Nah, nobody I know would stoop that low.
Got some equipment here.
Pax must be using the tunnels. Take it. Could be useful. Weapons ready. Contact. Send it to him, Marine.
Carter, grenade right there.
Copy. Threat neutralized.
She hit! Sound coming from that direction.
Shotgun! 20 meters!
We're losing...
Reloading!
Advance!
Has, target that area.
On it! Front! Shotgun! 20 meters! Enemy eliminated. Area clear.
Which way?
Exit's down. Help me with the elevator.
Dropping chem light.
Yeah, looks good. Hook up.
Descending.
Mills, copy.
Good to hear you're in one piece, Dagger.
We're through the tunnel system. Moving on the objective now.
Understood. Report back when Pax's anti-air is down. Mills out.
Lancer, this is Dagger 1-3. How copy?
Reading you loud and clear. You've been sightseeing.
Encountered some tourists, but we're still on track.
Glad to hear it. We've reached our target area. Holding position.
Copy. We'll signal shortly.
I'll put the kettle on. Out.
This is it. He's got the area. Engage the enemy at will. C-Ram's key to Max's strategy. Neutralize the target.
Understood.
Lancer, we're in position.
Copy. Let's do this. Moving in now.
Roger that.
Engaging now.
I'll cover you. High ground. Hit him from here. Front, launcher, 60 meters. Go! Gotta push forward.
This could be useful! Has, target this area!
Roger that. Move now! Down.
Dagger, grenade right there!
We gotta take out that C-ramp. Get some C4 on that gun.
Explosive planted! Found something!
Gecko, blow it!
Set, ready for impact. Sometimes.
Dagger, be advised. We spotted PAX reinforcements moving on your position.
Copy. Gecko, more company is on its way. We dig in here. Get on that MG. Move.
Shotgun is down!
Enemy down. Lancer, status update, over.
Held up by PAX. One click from the target area.
We ain't done yet.
No, sir.
Let's move. On me.
What's your sit rep? With those air defenses still active, the full assault can't happen.
We're about to link up with Lancer and push on. 2 more left.
We've got allied forces on the horizon waiting for your signal.
Skies will be clear, Mills. Count on that.
Make contact once they are. NATO's counting on it.
No pressure then?
That's why we wear the Southern Cross. And if it doesn't work, we'll blame McIntyre.
Dagger 1-3, we're taking heavy fire. What's your status?
Lancer, we're coming from the slope to your south. Check your fire.
Copy that. Good to see you, cowboy.
Target that building. Clear them out.
Got an RPG here.
Hit that building. Open it up. Move now. Long range. Go.
Thanks again.
No problem. We got 2 more emplacements still firing, though. You ready?
We are. Once more onto the breach. Lancer, advance.
Launcher, ammo crate, resupply.
Better take this!
Contact! Lancer, engage! Roger, engaging. Fuck! Friendly down! We need suppressive fire! Light them up!
Send it to him, Marine! Lock us down, Lancer. Clear to proceed.
Pushing on to the last AAA!
RPG, take it out!
Solid hit! Helo down!
Lancer, advance on that last gun!
Target above neutralized! RPG down!
We gotta push through to that last AAA.
Need a medic!
Patching you up.
You're a lifesaver.
Advance on that gun! We'll cover you!
Shoot her down!
Clean kill.
We've cleared the AO of Pax. Now we can take down our last target.
Explosive planted!
That's what I call fucking teamwork.
Just like Operation Angry Sea in 2020. Air's clear. Let's give them the signal.
Gecko, pop smoke!
That was too fucking close!
I don't know what's more impressive. You, firepower.
Good work, Marine. Airspace is clear. You just got us a foothold in this fight. Lopez and Murphy are on the USS Macon off the coast of Gibraltar. Hemlock, a specialized skills officer, will be contacting them